it's Miss Fisher. This week's lesson is about space. And when I say space in art, it does not mean like the planets or stars or the moon or the sun. It means how far away or close things are to each other in art. So we're going to do that by drawing sailboats. Now we need to start with the horizon line. The horizon line is where the sky meets the earth. So in this case, it's where the sky meets the water. If I were drawing a landscape, then it would be where the sky meets the ground. But for this case, we're going to do the sky and the water, and we're going to draw 3 different size sailboats. So I'm going to start with a really small one far away. I can tell that it's far away because it's going to be really, really small. And to draw a sailboat, all you need is the bottom part. It's the shape of a U that you double up. And then it's almost like a backwards number 4. You draw a straight line up and then a triangle attached. And you got just a simple sailboat. So that's the smallest far away one. That is called the background because it's all the way in the back. Now I'm going to draw a boat in the middle ground. So if this is small in the background, what size do you think would the middle ground be? Yeah, it's going to be medium size. So I start with a U. I attach kind of another U on top, straight line up, triangle on the side. So we got the background, the middle ground, and right in front is called the foreground. I remember that because front and foreground both start with F. So now I'm going to draw my biggest one because it's right in front of my face. I'm going to kind of make that cover up my horizon line so it looks a little more natural. Okay. So from here, if you have colors, we want to color it in. If you don't have colors, that's okay, but I just need to see the 3 different sizes. That helps show space. So I'm going to color my sky blue. I might add a couple of clouds first, just to make it more interesting. Maybe some birds. Okay. So I'm going to color my sky blue. I'm going to leave my clouds white. Remember, the sky goes all the way down to the horizon line. The sky doesn't just hang out up here. It's basically the air all around us. It goes all the way down. Okay, now to change it up, because I don't want my water and the sky to be the exact same color, I'm going to mix blue and green together to make a turquoise or teal or like an aqua color. So I'll start with blue. And mixing with crayons doesn't always turn out exactly like it would be if we were mixing paint, but it'll still show the difference of the 2 different blues, which is what we need. Okay, so now I'm going to just go over it with some green, and it should start to turn a turquoisey teal. If it's not looking, like right now I think it's looking a little too green, so what I'll do when I'm done with the green is I'll just go over it again with a little more blue, and then I should be good. Let's try. This time I'm going to press a little bit harder with my crayon. There we go. Okay, now my last step is I want to color in my sailboats. So let's see. Usually boats are made out of what? Wood, right? So I will, not all boats, but sailboats. In my mind, I always think of wood, brown. So I'm going to color these brown. And then your sails, if you want to, you can put like little patterns on them if you would like. I'm just going to color mine really quickly. There you go. And now you've shown space in your sailboat drawing by having a small one in the background, a medium-sized one in the middle ground, and a large one in the foreground. All you gotta do now is submit it to me through Teams, Class Dojo, or email. Have fun.